creating a new configuration in the SRX DL host and then loading it to your DL receiver. First off, hit the USB button and connect to your receiver. You'll see it give you nicely highlighted menu items. The best thing to do is, first off, make sure that the receiver itself is in setup mode, and you can find this out right quickly by checking the active user menu. It says no user in setup. So I'm connected now, and then I'm going to log on so that I can actually do stuff in the receiver itself. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm successfully logged on. Now, to load a project file, you just go to Project and Upload to Receiver. I have not made one, so I'm going to make a offline configuration. I'm going to give it a file name after I'm complete here. Okay, so I'm going to change the scan time down to 6. seconds. My tag's burst interval is 5.5. I do not need gain control, or timeout on an acquisition is what TOA stands for. I'm going to add a new channel. It's going to be an ID only. Channel number is going to be 45, and the frequency is going to be 150.420. Not too sure whether that's the range or not. And it's going to be an ID only tag. So I'm done there. And then I'm going to check out my antenna configuration. I'm not going to use the 2 antennas, just going to use one. So I'm going to use the main antenna gain, but I'm going to turn it up to about 60 because I wasn't getting great range with the last effort. And then I'm done. Don't really want to master because I only have one antenna. And then now sensors, I don't have any. And now I'm going to save my project. It's going to be an SRX DL project file with the file extension SDL. This one is going to be called Test 1, and I'm going to save it. It's saved down in the middle of your computer, down at the C drive, Program Files, x86, Low-Tech Wireless Inc., SRX DL host in the Projects folder. So you just press Save, and then Done. And it says you have unsaved changes. So you still want to quit? And you go Yes, because I've already saved what I wanted to do. And now, you must have no data on board your receiver. So I've got temperature records and battery statuses from my last attempt. So I'm going to initialize it. There's no guarantee you're going to get this information back. So please download it first before you do any of these changings of projects. Okay, press Project, Upload to Receiver. And there's my Test 1 SDL. I'm going to go Open. It's going to tell me that I'm going to overwrite the SRX DL configuration, and you go Yes. This is extremely important. As you can see, the green bar now, and it says Done. It's already loaded. So now if I go to my live editor right here, live configuration editor, you should see my changes. There's 6-second scan time, and the frequency and channels is going to be an ID only on 150/420. And I'm done.